What did you say?
I ain't talking to you.
All right, do me a favor, back the f*** up.
How far? 6 foot? Okay, hold on. You want that?
Back the
On April 20th, 2024, officers responded to Spirit Airlines at Tampa International Airport. The subject received a full refund, refused to leave, and was arrested on 3 charges: criminal trespass, disorderly conduct, and resisting without violence.
She says she gave you a refund
She threw
already.
it back, and it's back over there, sir.
Do you need it?
I need it, and I want it. I follow you.
Yeah, here you go.
You can hold that.
I don't need it. Do you want it?
I want it.
There you go.
Thank you. Where are we going, sir?
You walk over here, talk to me, so I don't know.
I don't want to talk to you.
So then go home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to catch the next flight.
You're gonna behave, okay? Just
Behave.
Yeah, you're gonna.
How is behave?
You're gonna listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna behave because we already got one call for you.
Okay. Who?
Us.
Okay. Walk me out. Let me get the out of here. Awesome. I'll follow you. Papa, you got one follower. One real follower.
Excuse me?
I know you got no followers.
What did you say?
I ain't talking to you.
All right, do me a favor, back the f*** up.
How
back
far?
over to
6
me.
foot? Okay, hold on. You want that?
Back the f*** up.
No, we don't need witness.
Go ahead and walk out.
Why?
Walk out right now.
Which way?
Patrol 121, send me another unit.
Which way?
That way.
Can I have my
Nope, let's go. You're going to jail. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. I don't know where's the
All
way
right, you're
out.
being trespassed from the airport.
Okay.
You need to leave right now.
Okay, where's the way
Let's
out?
go.
Where's the way out?
Tell you to leave right there.
I don't
That's
know
the way
where-
out right
Sir,
there.
I don't know where's the way out.
Leave now or you're going to jail.
Sir, I don't know where's the way out. I'm following him, sir.
Put your hand.
Hold on,
Take
sir.
his backpack
I'm
off.
Cabrón, me están arrestando, brother.
Yo sé, pero ¿por qué lo fronteas?
Yo no le estoy fronteando, cabrona. My phone is right there. I just bought the phone, sir.
It's okay. I have a car this way. You have a car over here? Someone's.
All right, let's go.
You have a car here?
Which way we going?
Okay, I'm over here. I got a car.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
160 something.
Let's go.
I'm glad you're okay, but go.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It doesn't stop. Okay.
You gotta walk faster.
No.
If you want.
What's that?
You don't understand English?
I do, yeah.
Walk in English.
Huh? I don't understand what you're saying.
Me neither.
The trespass charge under Florida Statute Section 81008 is legally sound. A lawful warning was issued. The subject refused to comply. Probable cause was established at that moment of refusal. The disorderly conduct charge under Florida Statute Section 887703 is constitutionally fragile. Under Gooding v. Wilson, 1972, profane language directed at a private party does not constitute fighting words. This charge will not survive serious scrutiny. The resisting charge under Florida Statute Section 84302 is derivative. If disorderly conduct fails and the arrest basis weakens, this charge falls with it.
Amazing. Tampa. Tampa ain't shit.
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna borrow your place here.
Keep your feet up. Hey, so that machine dirty though.
Take that fanny pack off.
141, are you on the service call?
Awesome. Fuck yeah, I go to Tampa.
Yeah, well, they're out on
fucking
Zone 3 now, but
they cancel my
Orange
flight,
is
I got arrested. That's crazy. You guys are broke ass. You own your house or you buying your house?
What's that? God, you're talking to the wrong guy. I don't really care what you say, what you want.
Why
You're not
you-
impressing me, okay?
You was almost.
I've been doing this too long. You're not impressing me.
Me too.
Thank you.
How long are you?
Don't really care.
There
Like
you go.
this? Perfect.
Also, how long
just
you
shut
been
your
doing
mouth.
this? Are you buying a house?
Oh, that side's clear?
Are you paying for
Okay,
a
we'll
mortgage?
put him in the car.
Are you paying for mortgage? You're not paying for mortgage. You broke ass.
Grab a seat, big guy.
It's a more guy for you.
Either way, if you get in by yourself, it's a lot easier on you.
12, 10, 4.
Coca?
24, you can cancel it.
On the weekend. On the weekend.
Cheap shit. Cheap shit, papa.
Simple, one,
You know it,
one,
I know
one,
it.
say, Tony.
We're gonna buckle you in for your safety. I want to make sure
Or
you're
yours.
okay.
I'm already good.
I want to make sure you're okay.
Let's go, man.
All right.
Simple, I'll see you on speed.
He was giving Spirit a hard time. When I come up, he's already on the phone arguing. Spirit says, we give him a refund. We just want him out of here. So I was like, all right, let's go, buddy. He's
Control
like, I'm
all
not going until I get my boarding pass. I said, but they gave you a refund. He's like, I want my boarding pass. So I said, okay. Give him his boarding pass. He gives him the boarding pass. I'm like, here you go, sir. He's like, I don't want that shit. I'm like, okay, do you want it or do you not want it? He's like, I want it. I said, so here you go.
That's why I just
So he takes it.
I was about 2 seconds behind you. He had no chance.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. So he said something like,
You guys trying to get the double
I was
handcuffs
like,
on him?
you need to
These
stop.
guys haven't like touched with us.
Get out of here, or you're gonna get arrested. Oh, what? He started mouthing off again. Then he does one of these. So I shoved him. I said, stand back.
All right.
Don't come close to me. And he does it again. So I pulled out my taser. I said, you're gonna get the out of here right now.
I didn't see that. Oh, did you pull a taser?
I'll pull a taser.
So
Yes.
you told me you gotta do an R2R. I didn't.
No. I definitely have to do an R2R.
Yeah.
I said, you're right now. You're being trespassed. You gotta leave the airport. Oh, I'm not going nowhere.
Good, man.
Piece of shit.
I'll transfer.
You have a car with you?
All right. Yeah, buddy.
Are you by yourself?
At 5 minutes 54 seconds, the officer reads a voluntary statement advisement, not a Miranda warning. Under Miranda versus Arizona 1966, custodial interrogation requires 4 explicit advisements: right to silence, use of statements, right to counsel, and appointed counsel. None were given. Under Berkemer versus McCarty 1984, Miranda attaches at the moment of custodial arrest, not at booking. Any statement obtained is subject to suppression. This is the most consequential error in this footage. The taser display is defensible. Under Graham versus Connor 1989, force reasonableness is assessed from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. The subject had physically encroached before the taser was drawn. Display without deployment at Step 5 of the Florida Post Continuum is proportionate on these facts. The Spirit Airlines agent's phrase, just how they all are, entered the evidentiary record. Under 42 United States Code Section 1983, discriminatory motivation by a private party acting in concert with law enforcement can establish the predicate for a federal civil rights claim.
So, do you hereby voluntarily make the following statement without threat, coercion, or benefit or favor by any person whatsoever?
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell me what happened.
So he came up to get rebooked, and then he was just very loud and just high energy already, and he wouldn't really let me get a word in, and just how they all are, just being dicks, and just like wouldn't let me talk, so I kind of just got frustrated, and I told him, do you want a rebook or you want a refund? I never really went anywhere, and he just got angry, started like talking crap to his person in Spanish that was on the phone. Like, I knew that, so I was sick of it, so I just refunded him and told him to please get out of my line. And then he just wasn't, he was being loud, wasn't wanting to move away.
Even after you told him to get out, he didn't want to move? Okay.
Yeah, he said, I'm going to stand right here. I'm going to stand right here until you want to help me.
Yeah.
And then,
I think I was walking
Oh,
up
you were-
towards because I heard him say that, so I remember that, and then that's when we came.
yeah.
Do you think he was maybe intoxicated or anything like that? Maybe.
Honestly, he might have, but he probably just seemed like that type of person. He kept saying, like, I know, you could say it, I'm crazy, I've gone it before,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
shit
yeah.
like that, so I don't know.
Okay. And then you guys called. Who called? Do you know?
I don't think I didn't call.
I can
I was
find
the
it. You
other,
didn't call.
but someone called. I think it might have been Sonya or something.
But you did refund him, correct? He got all his money back.
Yeah,
and
I
other
didn't want
than
to deal with it
that,
anymore, so I'm just gonna refund it. I don't care.
there was no other business after the refund, right? You just
I
ready
threw
to-
his thing in the trash can because he kept throwing it at me. So
Okay.
I threw it in the trash can.
Oh.
And that's when he was like, "I want my ticket," and then we were like,
The paper? What was it?
Yeah,
A receipt or whatever?
No, it was
The
just
boarding
like
pass?
his boarding pass from the flight.
Did he throw it at you, or he just threw it like?
I gave it to him, and then he just kind of like tossed it, and then it flew at me.
Okay. Did it hit
With the
you?
wind.
Okay. Yeah, that's all I need. Obviously he was arrested, so it's gonna be a lengthy report. I appreciate
so
it.
sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Listen, we can't. You're in a public place. This is the airport. You gotta act accordingly. So you're good. All right.
Alright.
I won't keep you anymore.
Okay.
Enjoy that overtime money.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The officer receives a B+, legally sound arrest, proportionate force, backup secured. Deducted for the Miranda failure, one omission hands the defense a suppression argument. The subject receives a C+. Verbal conduct protected, physical encroachment was not. Not resisting violently kept a misdemeanor from becoming a felony. The spirit agent receives a C-. Correct to call law enforcement, but imprecise witness language introduced unnecessary Section 1983 exposure. 3 lessons. Miranda is not a formality. A consent form does not substitute for it. A refund ends the transaction. Remaining after that point creates immediate trespass exposure. Every word in a witness statement is evidence. Careless language can convert a misdemeanor trespass into a federal civil rights claim. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.